Do you worry if your campaign is productive? Worry no more. Campaigns will help you keep track of ongoing marketing efforts at any given time through a straightforward dashboard. It shows a snapshot of the statuses of each campaign that helps your team measure the campaign results to achieve better decision-making and planning in the future. The Campaigns by Type metrics shows the statistics of each metric to measure the marketing efforts of your marketing team. The number of times your content is viewed regardless if it was clicked or not. The number of clicks on the content gathered per individual user. The total email sent for a specific metric. The total email viewed unique per user. The total leads generated from your campaign for a specific metric. The total prospects generated from the campaign. The total customers generated from the campaign. The total companies generated from the campaign. The total deal set for the specific campaign. The total number and total amount of deals won generated from the campaign. The Campaigns by Type shows each type of active campaigns running presented in a bar graph. Campaigns Pipeline allows you to readily evaluate where your stand is currently in terms of stages of your sales. The Activity feed shows the activities that were done relating to campaign management.